What's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I try to find you budget tech and gadgets. And this thing I came across on Amazon from Smallrig. I have a few products from Smallrig, so they're trusted. I trust them, you trust them, everyone trusts them. But I needed a light for my desk setup, and just in case I want to stream in the future. And I started to look around the internet and I came across a bunch of different light panels that cost a lot. So I got to researching and I found this. Alright, so let's take a look what comes inside the box. You get your light panel, of course. Get instructional manual, don't need that. You get a 18-watt power adapter, and you get a type C to type C charging cable. I can open this thing. Why won't you not make it like how you made this thing? Like, why not open it? Let's see the light panel itself. As you can see, it's well diffused. It's about 10 inches wide, or across, however you want to say it, and about 7 inches this way. And right now on Amazon it's $65, but if you want to buy this panel without this, it's $55.99. so yeah, that's a good discount. Most people don't really need this because you have a bunch of those laying around already, and usually you have like 15% off, so you can get this thing at a good discount. You can also mount this in landscape or portrait mode. So if you have a tripod, just easily set it up like this, or attach it to a camera, because this thing is pretty light. It's not heavy and it's not large enough to take up a lot of space on top of your camera if you have a cold shoe mount. There's two different options to light this thing. You can use a battery pack, or you can use the type C cable that it comes with. Alright, so right now I have this thing plugged in with a type C cable, and you just press this button for the power, and it's currently set at 6500 Kelvin, but it also goes down all the way to 2500 Kelvin, and it's on 77 power brightness right now. As you can see, if we go, I mean, it should be pretty easy without the manual to set this thing up. I just press set and it's like changes over to the brightness. That's it at 100% brightness. If I bring it all the way down slowly to 1%, it's nothing there. Like 5%, 6%, you get a nice diffuse light. And change the color temperature all the way back up to 6500 Kelvin. Press set, go back up to brightness, and slowly go all the way up to 100. See, this thing is pretty bright for a small space. I don't think this will light up like a whole room, but like if you're at a desk, this is perfect. Alright, so this thing has 9 different lighting effects. Press mode, and then you press set to change the dial up here to TV. Go to candle, faulty bulb, pulsing, strobe. I'll take that off. I don't want to cause any issues with any of my viewers. Paparazzi, emergency. That's like a little SOS. That's pretty cool. HL beam. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Maybe like trying to signal UFOs. You know, a little beam of light. Send it up to. But again, you got the lightning, which is the very first one, and it goes back to TV. But that's the 9 effects that it comes with. So I'm pretty sure you notice the red button, and what does beauty on mean? So I did a little bit of reading, and let me go back to 6500K. If I hold the beauty button down, it's like a preset, so it saves this preset. If I change this to say 4500 Kelvin and I press beauty on, it goes back to 6500 Kelvin. It's like a little preset that you set your lighting at, and you turn it off and you come back and you want to go back to that lighting that you had before. You just press the beauty on and it goes back to that preset. So that's pretty cool. A little nice little function that I didn't know it had, that you didn't know it had. I mean, it's a nice little light. It's nothing crazy to light up a whole studio, but for like a desk area, if you're gonna stream, to light up your desk like this, or your face, or if you want to take pictures of a product, you know, it's perfect for that. Yeah, so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Get out of the way. Thanks for watching.